Hello, dear learners and viewers. Welcome to Rampur High School online class. This is Mohammad Jahangir Alam, English teacher, Rampur High School, Hajiganj, Chatpur. Dear learners, my today's class has been furnished for the students of class 9 and 10, and the subject is English second paper. And our today's topic is completing sentences. Dear learners, in my previous class, I discussed completing a sentence that means if and other conjunction related completing sentences. Now I will discuss today completing sentences. Our today's topic will be completing sentences, and the conjunction will be so that or in order that by plus gerund, verb plus ing, or without plus gerund, verb plus ing, and in spite of related different completing sentences. Dear learners, I think you will be ready with your exercise book and other necessary books to exercise or to understand this topic very clearly. Dear learners, before going to start our class, I hope that you all of you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah at your home. Dear learners, let me show you some conjunctions on the board, and I will discuss this conjunction related different completing sentences. First one is so that or in order that. The Bangla meaning of this conjunction is jate kore or uddeshe. Dear learners, then I will discuss by plus gerund, verb plus ing. First I will discuss so that or in order that related completing sentences. Dear learners, first I will show you this conjunction related structure. Present tense, plus so that, plus subject, plus can or may, plus be one. The learners, this is the structure of so that related conjunction completing sentences, and there is another structure of this type of conjunctions. First, I will show you some sentences using this type of structure. The learners, look at the board. First one. We study hard so that dot. The learners, notice this example here. We study hard. That means here if you see, you will find the verb of this sentence is present form and it is present tense. Then so that then you will complete this sentence using this structure. That means then you will use here a subject, then can or may, then V1. Dear learners, you know V1 means the present form of a verb. Dear learners, let us complete this sentence. Subject we, then can or may. You may choose any one of the two. Can. We can do well. In the exam. B1. The learners, here using this structure we have made a sentence here. In the examination, you will find this sentence like this. Then you will complete this sentence using this type of sentence. Subject. Then I will show you another sentence for your better understanding. Number 2. The boy was fast. Then, so that or in order that, you may use any conjunction here. So that or in order that. Then empty space for you to complete this space using another clause or using the rest of the part of this sentence. Matching these given sentences, the boy walks fast. So that or in order that. Here, dear learners, notice that here the verb is present form. That means the verb is present tense. You will use here the subject following this subject. Here you will use this subject. Here the subject is the boy is a noun. So I will use here the pronoun of the noun. The noun, the boy. The pronoun will be he. Then you will use can or may. Can. Then verb. V1. Reach. School in time. Dear learners, I think you have understood the point very clearly. Then I will show you another structure related to this conjunction, and then I will go to another point. Here you will show that, or the learners, if the structure is like this, past tense, past tense plus so that, past tense plus so that, or in order that. Plus subject plus good or might plus B1. The learners notice that here in my earlier structure was present tense, then the part here the modal auxiliary verb or subject after subject, the modal auxiliary was can or may. When we use here past tense, then the in this part after so that or in order that, the verb will be could or might. Here notice this example. He studied hard so that, or in order that, so that or in order that, then gap. You will fill up this gap using a clause following this structure. The learners notice that, or look here that the verb is first form. That means the sentence is first tense. So you will use here subject he, then as here the verb is first tense, then you must use here after this subject could or might. Could. Then may be one. A good result. Good result. The learners, this is the example following this structure. I think you have understood this point very clearly. I will show you another example for your better understanding. He took medicine so that, or in order that, then yeah. The learners look here, the verb is first form. That means it is first tense. So you will use here matching this part. You will complete the backend part following this part. Then I will use here the subject he. Then you will use food or mind. We will use food. Get well. The Bangla meaning of this sentence, সে ঔষধ খেলো or নিল যাতে করে সে ভালো হয়ে উঠতে পারে. Dear learners, I think you have understood this point very clearly. Then I will show you another perspective completing sentence, that means by plus zira. By plus zira means verb plus ing. Dear learners, before going to show you example, I would like to discuss to clear to you the term Ziran. Dear learners, you know Ziran is a word which indicate two parts of space. First, it is a verb, then it is a noun. The formation or the formation of a gerund like this, verb plus ing, and it acts in a sentence as a noun and a verb. The learners, now I will show you the structure of this point. By plus verb plus ing plus comma plus subject plus can or may or must or will plus B1 plus extension. You may use this structure to make a sentence using by plus zero. Dear learners, for your better understanding, I will show you some example using this structure. By, then verb plus ing, verb plus ing, plus that means a balanced diet, comma. Then subject. By eating a balanced diet, you then I'll use here subject you can, you can live well. Dear learners, like this, you may complete this by plus gerund related completing sentence. By taking exercise, by taking exercise, comma, then the learners, by taking exercise, by plus verb plus ing, that means here it is a zero. By taking exercise, then you may give fit. Dear learners, I think you have got the point very clearly. Then I will show you another perspective completing sentences. That means I will use here without. Without plus zero. Dear learners, if we complete a sentence using by plus zero, you must without drinking water, without drinking safe water. The learners, you will have to complete this sentence using a complete verb. Dear learners, you may think that this part is a sentence. It is not a sentence. It is the part of a main clause or principal clause or a complete sentence. It is not a sentence. It is the part of a sentence. You will here make a complete sentence matching this part. The learners, you may consider this part as a phrase word. As a phrase word. Now you will complete this part using a complete sentence. Dear learners, when we use by here, then in this part we will use the first form, present form of the verb or affirmative form. But when we use without plus zero, we must use after subject negative form of a verb in maximum case. You can't live well. You can't live well. Without drinking safe water, you can't live well. The learners, if we express this sentence in Bangla, it will be like this: without drinking safe water, নিরাপদ পানি পান করা ছাড়া you cannot live well, তুমি সুস্থভাবে জীবনযাপন করতে পারো না। For your better understanding, I will show you another example using this structure, that means without plus gerund. Without reading well, then the learners, using a complete sentence, you have to complete this incomplete sentence. What will be the part of this sentence here, or how can we complete this sentence? Just guess. The learners, I think you have got the point, or you have understood the point. For your better understanding, I will complete this sentence. You will not get a good result. You will not get a good result. Dear learners, I think you have understood this point very clearly and very easily. Dear learners, I will give you another perspective of completing sentences. The point or the conjunction is in spite of. In spite of. The learners, the Bangla meaning of this word is সত্ত্বেও. In spite of his being healthy. In spite of his being healthy, dear learners, look at the board. In spite of. If we analyze this part, we will get notice here that in spite of, then you have to use a possessive form of a pronoun. Then you have to use a noun, or if you will think that you will use here am, is, are, or was, instead of this verb, you have to use here being. Or if you think that you will use have, had, or had, you must use here in place of that word or auxiliary verbs having then adjective. Or dear learners, in spite of, after in spite of, you must use a noun. Then like the earlier sentences or earlier conjunctions by plus gerund and without plus gerund, it is a part of a sentence, but it is not a sentence. When you complete this part using here a complete sentence, then it will be the part of this sentence. In spite of his being healthy, if we express this part in Bangla, this will be like this. In spite of this of his being healthy, সে সুস্থ বা স্বাস্থ্যবান হওয়া সত্ত্বেও then you have to use here a sentence expressing the opposite sense. In spite of his being healthy, we may use here he is lazy. That means সুস্থ হওয়া সত্ত্বেও সে lazy, সে অলস. Dear learners, for your better understanding, I will show you another example. In spite of his recess, in spite of his recess, the learners, in spite of his recess, recess here means oil. তার অনেক সম্পদ থাকা সত্ত্বেও he is miser. For your better understanding, I will show you another sentence. In spite of his trying hard, then in spite of his trying hard, he failed in the exam. Failed in the exam. Dear learners, I think you have got the point clearly and very you have made you with this you have made you easy with this topic, and our today's topic is completed here. I will give you some homework. Dear learners, you will try heart and soul to solve this sentence. That means to complete this sentence using different conjunctions. I will give you some example. we eat food. Number one, homework. Homework. Number one, we eat food so that number two, the boy worked hard in order that by laboring hard by hard. Number four, hello. Laboring hard. Number five, without reading well. Number six, mother called her baby so that he offended homework for you. You will try to solve this sentence. Solve this sentence. Next class, I will meet with you. Till then, may Allah give us save. May Allah give us better life. Till then, thank you all.